Mother died today, or was it yesterday? I don't recall. The Algerian sun is away, a golden hammer on my soul. No tears for the casket, no prayers for the dead, just the blinding white light and the silence in my head. The trigger was heavy, but the world was so still. 5 shots of thunder, a void I couldn't fill. The verdict is written in the salt and the sand. I'm a stranger walking through a hollow land. Oh, I am glad in this desperate joy to die. A refreshing breeze sweeps through the darkened sky. In the shadow of death, no God is hiding there, just a gentle indifference, a weight I choose to bear. Only evil exists here, where the hypocrites pray. Overthrow this Europe, wash the lies all away. I won't play their game, I won't wear their mask. To be honest with myself, that was my only task. The earth keeps spinning, the Milky Way drifts into the deep. The galaxy flows through the void while the world is asleep. I am the compliant rebel, the stranger on the shore. I yield to the tide, but I'm fighting the war. Gentle indifference, the only truth we share.